Cleaning the lobby. Check supplies and materials before cleaning the lobby. Remove foreign material like glasses used by guests before cleaning. Dust the lobby from top to bottom, including lampshades, ornaments, and tables. Clean the center table, starting from the top side, then the sides and undersides. Move objects as necessary. Vacuum large areas of upholstered furniture using the brush attachment and the crevice attachment of the vacuum. Spot clean as necessary. Mopping. Start dust mopping at the entrance or exit of the area. Move backwards so you would not step on the spot you just mopped.